Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. So in today's video we'll see how to work a very simple crochet Saree Kuchu design with twin tassels. So basically to work this design I have taken 6 strands of silk thread which is contrasting the pallu color, and then I'm using some gold beads as shown earlier along with my needle number 10. So first I'm going to keep the right side of the pallu facing towards me, and I have fixed the knot and then worked 3 chains. After we work 3 chains, we'll see where it reaches and then fix it by working a single crochet. Continue with 3 chains and 1 single crochet again. So the baseline is very simple. We will have to work this kind of baseline from one end of the saree to the other end and then turn the saree and work the arch. So now I'm going to work 2-3 chains again and then work 1 more single crochet. So whenever you're working single crochet, it's very important to have that right tension, otherwise the pallu will tend to wrinkle. So this is the 4th time I'm working my 3 chains. So make sure you follow the same count. After working 3 chains for 4 times, we will add 1 bead like this and then lock it with a chain stitch and then fix it using a single crochet. Again 1, 2, 3 and 1 single crochet. And add the next bead. Lock it again with a chain stitch and 1 single crochet to fix the bead to the pallu, followed by 3 chains, 1 single crochet, again 1 bead, fix it using a chain stitch and then work 1 single crochet. So that's how you will continue working the baseline. 3 chains and 1 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3 chains again and 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 chains, 1 single crochet again. Basically we'll be working 3 chains. That's 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4 before we start adding the bead. So once you add the bead, we'll fix it with working a single crochet and then just work 1 block of 3 chains, and we will add a set of 3 beads separated by 1 chain block, 1 3 chain block. So now that I have reached the end of the pallu, I have turned the saree and I'm continuing to work 3 chains and 1 single crochet inside the single crochet. Around the bead we will work 4 to 5 chains depending on the size of the bead you're using. If you are using slightly bigger bead, try to change the number of chains according to the size of the bead. So above the 3 chain gap, we will again work 3 chains. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here as per the bead I have used, I am working 5 chains around the bead. So just continue the same. This step, we are actually trying to build the foundation for the arch. So now wherever we have worked the 5 chains, we will be working the arch. So that is the foundation or the space that we are trying to create here. So now we'll work 3 chains, but we will be working a single crochet in the chain space and not inside the single crochet. If you notice carefully, that's how we will be continuing this step. So 3 chains and then single crochet inside the chain space and not inside the single crochet. That's the only difference. So here again you will work one. So just work one single crochet inside the single crochet for the last one, and then continue working 5 chains. So that's how the second step will continue. So once you've worked so far, it's up to you. If you wish, you can change the color, but since this saree does not have too many color options, I'm going to continue with the same color. So again 3 chains, 1 single crochet inside the single crochet, 3 chains, single inside the single, so in this 3 chain block we can work 1 single crochet and then start working the double crochets for the arch. So if you want the design to be more grand, you can continue adding 1 bead after every double crochet, but I'm just going to add 1 bead in the center. So this is my 3rd double, 4th double, 5th double. So here I'm going to just add 1 small round bead and then continue with 5 more double crochets, and with that the first arch will be complete. That's 4 and 5. So after working a total of 10 double crochets, the arch is complete. So that's how our first arch will look. And now I'm going to just do 1 single crochet here and then continue with the next arch. So since the arch, there is very less gap, try to keep the length of the double crochet very small. If we try to make very long stitches, then the arch might not stay flat and there might you might notice some wrinkles or folds in the arch. So the arch is very simple. All you have to work is 10 double crochets and add 1 bead after the 5th double crochet. With that the arch will be done. So this is the second arch, and we will also continue the third arch in the same way, and with that we will have 3 arches, tiny looking arches, very pretty and cute looking ones, and then after that we will be having the 3 chain space where we will add the tassel. So there will be 2 tassels and 3 arches. That's how the design will look. So same way I'm going to continue my third arch. I'll work my 5 double crochets, add 1 bead, and then continue with 5 more double crochets and fix it using a single crochet. It's a very simple design. If you are just starting or if you've just learned crochet, then this design is a must try for you guys. And since it is a very basic design, it does not take a very long time to work. You can finish this design maybe in 4 hours, I would say, if you are a beginner. If you are used to doing crochet, then 3 hours is more than enough for anybody to finish this design. So here I'm going to fix it with 1 single crochet and then work 3 chains, 1 single crochet in the chain space, 3 chains, again 1 single crochet in the chain space. So there will be 3 chains 3 times in this step, and continue with the arch. So since we have worked 3 chains 3 times, I will skip the center block and I will add tassel in the first block and the third block, because the tassel, the bunch, the silk thread bunch needs space That is the reason I have added only 2 tassels and not 3, though we had 3 blocks. So after this arch, we will prepare our silk thread, and I will show how to add the tassel bunch. Now for the tassels, I generally use 120 strands of silk thread along with 2 strands of zari. I tie the tassel. Now if you want a thicker tassel, you can use up to 150 strands of silk thread, but since the arch is so small and delicate, I felt 120 strands is more than enough. So I have used 120 strands here to prepare the bunch, and I have neatly ironed it. So please see where I am actually tying it. It's not the last line, but I am tying it above the last line. So I'm just going to tie 2 tassels. You can already see in the video I have added only 2 tassels, though we have 3 blocks. That is because 3 will make it too much. There will not be enough space for the tassel to spread. So that is the reason I am adding only 2. So tie it 2 to 3 times tightly, and then pass the needle below the zari thread like this, and then trim it. Make sure everything is of same length. That is what gives a very good finish to the design. So same way we will add one more here in this line. Tie it and trim it in the exact same way. So once we are done with this, our easy and pretty looking design is ready. So you can suggest these designs to somebody who wants arch and tassel in a little bit of less budget. Since it is a very simple design, it gets done sooner, maybe around 3 to 4 hours. So accordingly you can charge. So even when there are less colors in the sari, you can play around with such designs. So do let me know in the comment section how you like this design, and if at all you have any requests, please send me the reference picture to the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box, and I shall shoot videos and post it very soon. So yeah, same way, if at all you want the same video explanation in Kannada, do let me know. I will post the same with the Kannada explanation on my Kannada channel. So I guess that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. And if you guys are watching this video without subscribing to our channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to like the video and also share it amongst your friends.